opposite colours. I think the palette was pretty plain. He's got matte black, pink, we've got green, pink and blue. There you go guys, good off the 30, good job by